To paying back San Ricardo!
To being rich!
Hooray! Boogie!
You.
Me?
Yeah, baby. Go! 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2. What? There is one word for you, kitty softpaws. Me wow.
I know you have quite a reputation with the ladies. Mr. Frisky 2 times.
I've also been known as the fairy lover. But that was before I met you.
You don't know me, Puss. I'm not who you think I am. I'm all about the score.
Come on. Look me in the eyes and tell me all you care about is the gold.
Puss.
Kitty.
New partners!
Do not fall for his animal magnetism. Stay focused.
So, I have been thinking, these soft paws, that when we go our separate ways, we can go our separate ways. Together.
Puss, you have to go now.
You do not have to push me away anymore. You can trust me.
But give it up for the legends of San Ricardo! Humpty and Puss! We did it!
I'm calling you tonight, guys.
Kitty, stay up with us.
No, I feel terrible going on.
Okay, yeah. Have fun with that.
We should all do something. I never thought we would get here. After all we went through, to pull this off together. It is good to have my brother back.
Yep. Sure is. Well, we have a big day tomorrow. Oh, pretty exciting stuff. We should get some rest.
Good night, Humpty.
Canasta!